Hi everybody, today we are going to make a chatterbox. When we make the chatterbox, it looks like this. So, we need a scissor and an A4 sheet. First, you need to fold it like this, straightly. And you can see this part. You need to fold this part like this. Now you can see a line here. You need to cut out that line like this. You need to cut straight this line. And you can see a line here. You need to fold this like this. Now you can see a cross right here. You need to bend this. You need to fold this part into the line like this, and this part. You need to do the same to this part and this part. Now you can see like this. You need to fold it like this, straightly. Now you need to fold this part like this, and this part and this part and this part. You can see like this. You can see a line like this. You need to fold it to the line. Now you need to fold this like this and fold it like this. Now you need to take like this and do like this, and you need to fold it like this and like this. Then you find this. You can see a pick like this, and you need to open it. Now we make our chatterbox. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.